First, let's discuss helpful information for communicating with the hard of hearing community. Many hard of hearing individuals rely on being able to read lips and facial cues to understand communication. Face masks block both the lips and facial cues. Many hard of hearing individuals can speak well, but they're not always understood. It may be difficult to communicate. Normally, people would speak louder to someone who is hard of hearing. However, face masks can muddle what's being spoken. Social distancing also makes it difficult for hearing aids to pick up speech. So the tips that we've used in the past are not currently effective. So here are some ideas of how to communicate with those who are hard of hearing. Speak loudly and in a quiet place if possible. Rephrase your sentence and avoid using jargon or lengthy explanations if someone is having a hard time understanding you. Use gesture. For example, scoot over, come here, no, stop. If you have a clear face shield or mask, please use it. You may also want to have a printed sign that you can refer to.